I left for my ancestral home. I still remember Maazi-UC. I left for my ancestral home. I want to just slope, just walk out for here to see how things be. You know, it's been a very long time I have passed this road. You see, this is my village. Here I was from. I've been there back and the back with they blocked this road. They put new road here. You see, this way is Maazi-UC family. So very sweet too. Believe me, very sweet. I mean it. It's very good. At least once in a while, I travel down to your place to know how village be. So they are nothing like home. Always remember. You see that this is the a village. It's a real village. You can see it's a real village. So what do you have to say about this? In a village. I come in. This is our ancestral home. Our ancestral home. Very good. I like. Try to reach village at least. Even I was in a while. You live village. See how the weather cool. Yeah, they cool. Can't you know? Yeah, they cool. Very good. I like. This is a Oneroji plantain sheet. This is a plantain sheet. Let's go palm fruit, palm tree. This one they call cola tree. Very good. I like village. I like village. This one Akoyibo. Akoyibo. Hey, I thank you all guys. I thank you all guys. I thank you all guys. Keep on. This is my ancestral home. This is my ancestral home. This is my ancestral home. Let me showcase you. This is my home. This is my home. This is my home. So anybody who see here knows say this is my ancestral home. See it. See it. It's my ancestral home. I'm not afraid of what I'm doing. I'm there for village, so life. I love home. Thank you all guys. Thank you all. Share my video, comment on comment section and follow my page. I still remember Maazi-UC. Thanks and God bless you all.